Good evening everyone. This is Vrushali. In previous sessions we discussed about requirement engineering and how to establish groundwork in part 1 video. I have mentioned complete software engineering subject playlist link in below description box. Now in today's session we will discuss about the next important point, that is part 2, requirement engineering task. As per your exam point of view, this is one of the most important question. Let's start the session. In this session, we will discuss in detail requirement engineering tasks and some important questions that have asked in previous year question papers. Now, the first thing is what exactly requirement engineering. We already discussed this thing in detail in previous sessions. Basically, requirement engineering is a process of collecting all the software requirements from the customer. After that, understand those requirements, analyze those requirements and document it properly. This is called as requirement engineering. So requirement engineering construct a bridge for design and the construction phase. Now, in software engineering, in requirement engineering, there are 7 different tasks sequentially, like inception, elicitation, elaboration, negotiation, specification, validation, and at the last, management. Now, let's discuss all these tasks in detail. Now, the first phase of requirement analysis and the first task in requirement engineering is inception. As we know, in software development lifecycle, the first phase is requirement gathering and analysis. There is a communication between the customers and the project head and development team. Basically, there is a communication between all the stakeholders. Now, this inception task focus on the basic detail about the project. For example, customer want online shopping application. So here they understand what is the aim of the project, what is the goal of the project, and what is the future of the project. Means they understand the basic details. Also here they identify stakeholders, means which type of people included in the project, like which type of customers here, which type of organizations here, and which type of developer tester as per skill included in the project. So identifying stakeholder is one of the most important thing. After that, they also identify who will be the user of this project. Suppose customer want online shopping application. So which type of user use those project? So they identify this kind of thing. Then they also understand nature of the solution. For example, a particular project is regarding to the banking application, regarding to the reservation, regarding to the college management. So they understand nature of the problem and find out the solution as per the problem. Basically, due to inception task, there is a collaboration between customer and developer. Means there is a strong communication and strong bonding between customer and developer. So basically, inception task focus on the basic details about the project. Next. Now, the next and second task is elicitation. So elicitation phase focus on gathering the requirements. Here, right people involved in this phase. Suppose you have collected wrong requirements, then your project will not work. And if you have collected right requirement, then your project will be generated accurately and quality, right? So that's why right people involved in this project. Now, which type of problem occurs in elicitation phase? As per your exam point of view, this is one of the most important question. Like which type of problem occur in elicitation phase. So basically there are total 3 type of problem. The first problem is problem of scope. Means sometimes customer give unnecessary technical details about the system, or sometimes customer give the particular idea which is not possible to implement. So this is called as problem of scope. Now, the problem of understanding. Sometimes customers are not clear about their idea, about their requirements. That's why there will be misunderstanding generate between customer and developer. So there is a problem of understanding. And last one is a problem of volatility. Means customer requirements are continuously changing. That's why it is very difficult to develop a particular project. That's why there is a loss of and wastage of resources and time. So basically these 3 problems occurs in elicitation. Problem of scope, problem of understanding and problem of volatility. Next. Now the next and third task is elaboration. So basically elaboration means they gather all the information from the first 2 phases. From inception phase, they gather basic details, and from elicitation phase, they gather clear idea and clear requirements. After collecting clear requirements, here in elaboration phase, they develop a rough model or prototype. Prototype is not an actual model. This is just a rough idea, means what exactly customer want. After developing prototype as per the functions, features and requirement, they take a suggestion from the customer. If customer want any changes, they do these changes in prototype. And after customer satisfaction, they develop a actual product, right? So this is the elaboration phase. Here develop a model or prototype. Now next one is a negotiation. So there is a negotiation between developer and customer. Customer negotiate with developer regarding project cost, regarding delivery time. Suppose sometimes customer want project early, so they negotiate with the developer, right? Now they also negotiate with some available resources. Sometimes customer want some prioritized requirements, right? Sometimes they want particular requirements quickly. They want to release a product in market quickly. So this kind of negotiations are done in this negotiation task. Next. Now the next one is a specification. So after completing all this first task, now there is a specification. Means here requirement engineer construct a final work product. Final work product means SRS document. SRS means software requirement specification. This is a one kind of document where all type of requirement from the customer like user requirement, system requirement, functional and non-functional requirement, this all types of requirements are collected and mentioned in the document accordingly. So this document is called as SRS document. Here in this document also ER diagram, DFT diagram, data dictionary diagram also have mentioned that will be understandable by the customer. Now, this SRS document, after gathering all the requirement, analyzing the requirement and mention all this requirement into the document. Now, this document is submit to the customer. So, these documents are mentioned in the language that will understand by the customer as per their working model. Clear? And last one is a validation. So after submitting document to the customer, it validate the document. Means it check that if there are any errors are there in this SRS document or final work product, or if there are any requirements that have correct not correctly mentioned, or that have some there are some additional requirements are there. So it check all this thing. They also validate some missing information is there in this particular document. So validation basically means test a particular document, whether it is as per the customer requirement or not. Clear? Next. Now the next one and last one is a requirement management. So basically requirement management handle all the changing requirements. Okay. Here the management team identify, control, track and establish all the requirements, and they also check that your project and your product is developed as per the customer requirement or not, and if there are some new additional or changing requirements from the customer, so they check that whether it is this particular requirement does not affect on overall system, right? So after managing all this requirement, they're ready to deliver the product to the customer. Clear? Next. Basically, what we learn in this session, the first task is an inception task. There is a better understanding and basic understanding about the project. Elicitation means clear understanding, clear requirements about the project. Elaboration means modeling. They draw some rough model or prototype here. Negotiation means settlement or conflicts regarding delivery time, cost. Then specification means mention all thing in SRS document. Validation means validate this document as per the customer requirement or not. And management means manage all the changing requirements. So these are the important tasks of requirement engineering. So in your exam in previous paper, this kind of questions have asked. Like explain the importance of requirement engineering and list all the tasks are involved. So here you need to just list the task for 6 marks. Now, or they will ask what are the requirements of engineering task, explain in detail for 7 marks. The next question is explain the task done during elicitation and requirement management for 6 marks. Also they will ask why requirement elicitation is difficult, what are the problem in requirement elicitation. So this is one of the most important question. You have to prepare those 3 problems in detail. Now what is the difference between inception and elicitation? and why requirement elicitation is difficult here. Now explain activities and steps used for negotiation software requirements. So this all question generally asked for 6 to 7 marks. This is all about requirement engineering task. Keep learning. Thank you.